On it, you are going to come to this left hand side of your phone or your laptop, whatever. You're going to see upload. So when you open the upload, when you click on the upload, you are going to come over here where you see upload files. You're going to go to the images where maybe you go to the images you downloaded. Let me pick one images. You're going to pick all of them. When you open all of them, you're going to click on open. It's going to come here. Then you're going to this place you see app. You click on it and look for image animate. When you click it, you're going to see this motion range. You're going to increase it depending on what you want. The motion length, how do you want the animation to be? If you want it to be, let me make it to my own to be 8 seconds. Number of loops, I'll make it 3. Then you click on generate. First, you make it to full D. You then click on generate. So you're going to come ahead and delete this one. And then you make this one. You make it to fit to the box. You can see it's no longer static. You have created it. To add another one, you're going to click on this plus button. Add your image. Let me click on the upload. Let me say. So we've seen how the image is. Then you add it. You click on add to design. So when it's done, you're going to continue uploading all your pictures here. You keep adding this thing, adding all of them. Then you'll be clicking on, okay, let's say you click on go back. When you add one here, you go here, you go to upload, you add another image. Let me say this one. Let me say this one. You add another image. This is an AI image also. You're going to, when you go there, you're going to click here, go here, and click on this image animate. That is the same. That is how you do. This one is easier than other ones. You're going to come here and add all the clips together and animate it together. Then when you are done, you download. You click on this download button and you download. Now, because of if you have a Canva Pro already, you can download it as a separate file, but it is advisable to download all of them together. Or for all three pages, then you click on download and you are done.